What is up, guys? Today we continue to work on the Obs Tahoe. We're gonna be mocking up some of the stuff like the carpet, the headliner. So let's go ahead and get this video started.
Y si se pudiera, quisiera pedirles que me entierren con todo y troca, no más pa' que vean que la tierra no se tragó cualquier cosa.
Alright guys, so right now what we're doing is we're taking out all the stuff that we have in there right now. We're gonna get started on the carpet right now. So let's see how it comes out. But right now we're just clearing out the Tahoe. We still have all this stuff that we need to install. And then the headliner's up there. There it is. Let me remove these pieces out real quick to clear this out and get started on the carpet. Alright guys, so we weren't able to get to the carpet today, unfortunately, due to the fact that it's actually about to start raining. It's already raining. So due to the fact that we started running the wires for when we installed the door panels, all the wires for it, and we're missing a little bit of wire. We need more wire to run, because basically what we want to do once we get the door panels, we just want to put plug and play so other wires will be ran. So we won't get to that, but tomorrow morning we will be going to drop off the headliner, guys, so stay tuned for that. Tomorrow, once we drop it off, y'all can see how it comes out, and then once we install it. What's up, guys? Today is Sunday morning. Right now we're headed with Roma's upholstery to drop off the headliner to get done up. So let's go ahead and load the stuff up and head that way. All right guys, so we put it in the truck. Hopefully nothing happens to it. The reason why we didn't put it in the red truck just yet to drop it off is because we don't have no seats just yet, and we didn't want to throw one because we're running a little late already. But let's go ahead and head that way. We're driving my sister-in-law's Yukon.
Se les olvida para dónde van y no es mi culpa, me quieren tumbar.
We got the Yukon looking clean right there. There we go. Well, yeah. Brought it back.
Ya no se acuerdan que les enseñaba a trabajar. Los árboles no se escuchan cuando van a alcanzar.
What's up, guys? So we're about to get the suede going. And we're also doing the seat belts. So y'all stay tuned. Almost upholstery. Alright guys, one last look at the headliner. It's gray. And then these pieces too are from the headliner. We're going to give them a little paint. So we'll be back in a bit.
Al cielo sin ruido logran llegar. Tú hablando mierda no vas a lograr. De lado a lado al morrillo bien.
Alright guys, so right now what we're doing is we're installing some seats, because right now when the headliner is ready, we're gonna go be picking it up and installing it on the spot right there. But there it is, there's the truck. Look at this shit with nothing in here right now. We still gotta change out the carpet, guys. Like I said, we're just waiting on the wire. That's actually the carpet in the middle. Look at the headliner. There's nothing there right now. Alright guys, so we got one seat in right there for now, and then we're gonna go pick it up already. He just texted me that it's ready, so let's go ahead and roll that way. And check it out, the steering wheel, the suede. So basically the headliner is gonna be wrapped in this suede right there. Then we remove the bezel because we've been working on this little by little. We put on some new I don't even know what these things are called, the AC controls, I guess. Knobs. The knobs to give it that little extra touch. And then we did the, remember guys, it has a sunroof, so we had to drop the little sunroof piece to get that going. But let's go ahead and head with Roma's upholstery. Alright guys, so there is the suede headliner. Check it out. Right now we just gotta put in some of the little things that we're missing, like these little handles right here. So let's go ahead and throw them on here right now. I'll do some little cinematics of the headliner. Alright guys, so the headliner is already up there. Unfortunately, I believe I lost some bolts that go to some of the little pieces where you hold yourself from, like to get in the truck. But let me show you the headliner. I won't be shooting a full cinematic until I go get those bolts so we can put everything that goes up there. But that won't be till next week, but we'll skip through that. But there it is, guys. Suede headliner, as y'all can see. Check it out. The visors as well. So we're getting a step closer each time to finishing it off.
Llegar, ay que menos la gente se fue a imaginar, ojos tumbados bien flacoso le va.
All right, guys, so today we continue on the Tahoe. We're starting to throw everything in as much as we can, so let's go ahead and get started on this. Here we have most of the stuff out. What do you need? All right, guys, so here we are. It is hot as fuck. We finally cleaned up all the wiring on the Tahoe, so we're getting ready to finally throw in the carpet. So there it is. This is the new wiring for when we get the new door panels, just to plug and play everything up. So right now, stay tuned to see how it's gonna come out. What is up, guys? It has taken most of the day. We've been working on this shit, and that shit has gotten annoying already. But let me show y'all as far as the progress where we are right now. So basically, the front, we have it already mounted in. We got the seats and the console. And then you can see the kick panels, the pieces that are already painted are right there. Alright, guys, so here we got in the carpet. As y'all can see, also we got these trims going, and then we got the seat belts right there, the suede headliner. Alright, guys, so finally I believe today we're gonna finish the Tahoe off. We've been putting it out a couple of times and we haven't been able to finish it, but it looks like today we are a little bit more advanced. So let's go ahead and show y'all the progress, and once it's done, I'll be doing a full cinematic of what's in here. Like I said, we're still going to be waiting on the door panels because the guy right now, he is booked, but let's go ahead and show y'all some clips. We got my truck out here, guys. We got the OBS dually. We're working on it. No, you gotta use the other one. We got the 318 Sundowns. We got Danny in the cut. Today's actually Danny's birthday, so y'all better say happy birthday to this nigga right here. I'm about to beat the fuck out of nigga 22 times.
23, bitch.
23? You turning 23?
Where? Right.
Alright, guys, so right now my brothers, they went to go eat real quick. They're taking a little break. While they're doing that, I'm cleaning it up because we're getting ready to throw on the subs. So let me show you the little setup that we got. So we have 4 of these excess. So we have 4 of these excess power batteries. MechMan Alternator 500. As y'all can see, here's the second battery. Look at this shit, big ass fuse. We have the 318s right here. Right here, there's still a mess right now. Like I said, I'm cleaning it up. Right here we have a DD amp, 4-channel for the mid. So we're gonna be using this DD for all the mids, and then we're gonna be using these little Chiram amp for all the bullet tweeters, which are the highs. And then back here we have our DD amp for the subs, and then we also have the other 2 batteries back here. Check it out. And then right there we have our epicenter for the corridos. Alright, guys, after so much time, we are finally done with the interior. We're like 80% done. We still need the door panels and touch up some stuff, but let's go ahead and check it out.
Dos líneas de jarabe en el vaso ahí nomás, los bongis puestos para poder patinar. Soy muy sencillo, se rumora que me cargo un porte bien placoso, ni que las calles que yo peso les meto miedo, que en cada paso que doy lumbre es la que llevo, y eso que no me han agarrado bien endiablado. Cada tatuaje que hay en mi cuerpo me lo gané, cada uno trae.
Alright, guys, so here it is. Here are the seats, and then we got the little suede, remember, running. Then we got the seat belt as well, and then all the painted plastic trims, as y'all see, all around right there. The stuff up here, we're still missing that middle one, and then the suede headliner, the suede box Let me see if y'all can see with the sun right there. Everything came intact, super nice, guys. Like I said, there's still little things that I have to touch up, but it's nothing crazy. And then we have the dash with the suede as well, stitching all around. All the trimmings up here, everything painted nice. There it is, guys, looking super clean. Escalade center console. Alright guys, so there it is. Let me know what y'all think, guys. After so much work that we finally put into it, it is finally 80% done. Like I said, we still need little things. Also we need the door panels, but like I said, those won't be getting done until next month because of the waiting time. But yeah guys, that's it. The interior is done, almost basically a full custom interior. Trims, box, seats, dashboard, everything was changed out, guys. So y'all stay tuned for once we get those door panels done up. And let me know what y'all think, guys. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy, the Dagmlowlife, and I'm out.